Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to acknowledge this beautiful golden glowing God star, this bright star that lives within you, that lives within each of us, whether we know it or not. And we visualize this star and work and visualize to grow this light within ourselves, to grow our strength, our awareness, our power as creative beings. We give and receive with the star of our earth deep in the center of her heart. This beautiful star lives. We give and receive, and we visualize all the beautiful ways we give to the earth. We remember our own goodness and the goodness of each other. And in this meditation, you are guided to receive a beautiful gift to take with you as you walk through your next few days. Enjoy today's meditation. Light a candle and play your favorite relaxing music. Let's drop into today's meditation by turning our outer gaze inward, closing our eyes, and becoming aware of our breath in this moment. We set the intention of deep relaxation for the next few minutes, opening and expanding our inner world, relaxing our physical body. And in doing so, we create this space of allowance in which everything we wish to receive flows our way with ease. We become open to receiving when we relax, when we tune inward, when we prioritize the relationship we have with ourselves. Offer yourself a word of gratitude for being here now, showing up for yourself. Maybe it feels a little silly, but talk to yourself. Offer that word of gratitude. Offer that appreciation for walking your beautiful path with all its twists and turns and ups and downs. We can say thank you for everything. We feel our feet firmly planted on the earth. Here we belong on the earth. We stand firmly in this place of belonging on the earth, each of us with a unique offering to the earth, each of us with a unique way of being with the earth, each of us growing, changing, learning, evolving in our own beautiful and unique way. We recognize that the only person we can really control in this life is ourselves. We can become so aware of ourselves that we can learn to respond to whatever comes our way with ease and with grace. We release the need to control others. In this meditation, we move into a space of acceptance of ourselves and each other. We trust that we are each receiving exactly what we need in our lives in order to learn and grow. Opportunities, experiences, people, places, things, all of it meant to bring us closer in alignment with our highest self, with our highest good, with our most realized self-actualization. We say thank you for everything that has brought us to this place now. This place where we are able to sit with ourselves. This place where we are able to rest, to receive, to connect, to breathe. We become aware of the glowing star within ourselves. Take a deep breath into the golden glowing God light that lives within you. We acknowledge this light that lives within us and lives within each person. We nurture this light by pausing, becoming aware of this light, by meditating, by visualizing, opening and receiving. We become aware and we can grow this light. We can nurture this light within. And in your mind's eye, you can look out upon this landscape of our earth and see many stars. Every single one of us with our own unique, glowing golden God star. Each of us holding different lessons, life lessons. Each of us holding different needs in this life. Each of us holding different contributions to this life. We accept that God lives within all of us, whether we know it or not, see it or not, feel it or not, realize it or not. Bring your attention now to the center of our beautiful earth and visualize a star existing within the center of our earth. Golden, glowing, bright. And let's breathe with this star. As we inhale, we can receive from this star. And as we exhale, we can share our light back with the earth, deep, deep, deep through the layers of rock, fire, water. Visualize this circular path of giving and receiving with our earth, from your star to the center of our earth. Notice the sensations within yourself. Do you feel opening and expanding within you? Do you feel connection, belonging? What do you see as you visualize this flow of energy between yourself and the earth? What messages do you receive as you breathe with the earth? We acknowledge that we are meant to contribute something good, something beautiful, something unique. We acknowledge that we are meant to share our gifts with the earth. We're meant to stay in continuous flow and alignment with the earth. We are meant to enjoy the pleasures of this earthly life. And in your mind's eye, notice how you wish to honor our earth. In your mind's eye, see your path ahead. Twists and turns, ups and downs, hills and valleys, detours and opportunities to change direction. We see this path ahead. We look forward to exploring this path. We know that we will leave part of us wherever we go. What do you wish to leave as you continue to walk your path? What do you wish to contribute, to share? And if you could see all the way close to the end of this path, what would be there? Who would be there? What would the feeling be of arriving at this destination? Continue to walk your path, recognizing the goodness within yourself and others. Continue to feel gratitude for everything. Continue to do your best. Continue to be open to something new every day. And when the sun rises, we can say thank you. When the sun sets, we can say thank you. Each day is our gift to unfold, to unwrap, to enjoy, to appreciate, to savor. And in your mind's eye, visualize a little gift box arriving at your feet. See yourself picking up this gift box and opening it. What do you find there? Accept this gift. Take it in. Breathe it in. Deep breathing. When you feel ready, you can return to your feet, firmly planted where you are. Return to your glowing golden God star within your heart. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself the opportunity to free write, expressing whatever words wish to move through you, nurturing that relationship you have with yourself. See you next time. Much love.